Hello guys, my name is Fitri aminarti roziah. I am a student of Islamic boarding school Darul Aitami. I have something to show that I want to tell you about how to make fresh lemon tea. Okay, before we are going to make it, we have to prepare the ingredients. They are tea, ice, lemon, sugar, and also don't forget a glass and a spoon. Now we are going to make. First, cut the lemon into 2 parts to squeeze and 3 parts again for coming into the glass. And then squeeze the lemon into the glass. And then put the tea water sufficiently. And don't forget to mix. Mix until smooth. And next, add the ice into the glass. And the last is, add the lemon into the glass. And you can serve the glass as you like. Yes, fresh lemon tea ready to drink. It's a simple drink to make. Lemon so much benefit. That is reduce the risk of stroke, lower cholesterol levels, treat liver damage, prevent bacteria that cause diarrhea, helps digestion, and maintain immunity. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe my video. See you next time. Bye bye.